What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Redmi cell phone that keeps dropping calls. So to fix this issue, first of all try reinserting your SIM card. So to reinsert the SIM card, take out the SIM card from your phone, and after that clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card put it back in your phone. Now after that the issue will be fixed, but if you are still facing the call dropping issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, it means now it is ready to restart your phone. Now you can release your finger to restart your phone. Now after restarting, the call dropping issue will be fixed, but if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on more connectivity options. Now in more connectivity options, tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen PIN, password or pattern, and after entering the PIN, password or pattern correctly, tap on next. And then when you will tap on next option here, it will reset your all network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the call dropping issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the call dropping issue on your Redmi cell phones. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.